so I got some new synthetic drip for y'all. So this is going to be Outre's lace front unit Oceane. She's 24 inches. Synthetic wig heat safe up to 400 degrees. She is in the color DRFF Honey Chestnut. She has plenty of other colors, as you guys can see here. Comes with a pre-plucked hairline, and this is what your hairline is looking like. And this is your parting area. You cannot part her anywhere else. So yeah, she is gorgeous. I'm really digging the face framing highlights, as you guys can see. So let me go ahead and turn her around for y'all. And this is what the back of the unit is looking like. She has like a loose body wave texture to her, as you guys can see. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to styling her.
When I ride on Bumble.
It's ft.Outre.
One time.
Standard.
One time. She's got to baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one. Them I step in on me yard, them I enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man I tell him, me then go slow. Them I feeling on my vibe and see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, on the show now. Oh yeah, see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show.
Alright y'all, so I have Miss Oceane on. Not sure how I feel about her. Like, she's already shedding a lot. She's shedding a lot. But the color, that's why mainly bought her. Because with this line, if you know anything about Outre, this is like their lower end premium synthetic lace fronts, okay? So this is like their lower end synthetica, but she is gorgeous in this style. They should have made this a frontal. To be quite honest, I would have not mind if this was on the perfect hairline, but I did go ahead and I plucked the parting space off camera, and as you guys see, I did go in and tint the lace, and I added some heat to the top because it was just a little hunky. That's okay, we fixed it. So yeah, give me one moment. I'm gonna cut the lace off. I decided to go with a right part. I shifted it to the right because I want that swoop. I just need that swoop. The middle part wasn't doing it for me. Here's what she looks like in the middle. See, the middle part ain't giving what it's supposed to. So just give me one moment. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Shift her back to the right. Give me one moment. Alright y'all, so I am done with Oceane's 24-inch lace front unit from Outre. This is going to be in the color DRFF Honey Chestnut. She comes with a pre-plucked lace parting area, baby hairs. Heat safe up to 4-inch degrees. She is under, I believe, $45 if I'm not mistaken. Of course, I will leave the purchase link down below in the description box. She comes with plenty of other colors, as you guys can see. Those are your color options. So this one, I'm on the fence because y'all know with synthetic wigs, especially this line from Outre, it's like their lower premium ends of synthetic wigs. They give you the premium features, but not the premium fiber, if you know what I mean. Because with this one, this synthetic unit is here for a good time, not a long time, so you're not going to get that many wears out of her. She is shedding like crazy, okay? So hold on, let me show you guys my shedding. And this is just half of it, okay? She is shedding like crazy. So with that being said, word of caution, she sheds a lot. Like the hair is, anytime I pull on it, I get some hair coming out of the unit. The ends are already getting ratty, as you guys can see. So keep that in mind. But other than that, she's pretty. I honestly bought her for the color. I really didn't buy her for the style. I bought her more so for the color because the color is done gorgeously, first of all. Outre did that with this color. It looks gorgeous. The hairline is good too. Look at the hairline. They just kind of swiped on the hair texture, but it's okay. I'm not complaining too much. This is your parting area. I did pluck a little bit towards the front, as you guys can see, because the knots on this unit are pretty doggone big. Let me give you a little 360. All the hair to the back. You do get a pretty good density. It's not too heavy. It's not too light. It's really, really good for this unit. I like the style. It's nothing that we haven't seen before from Outre. But overall, this unit is okay. Would I purchase it again? Probably only mainly for the color. Outre, please give us more units in this color with the face framing. And also, if you are going to remake this unit, please make it for the perfect hairline, and I definitely will purchase it. Oh my goodness, I am loving this color, y'all. This color is so gorgeous. The price of this wig, I believe, is under $45 if I'm not mistaken, but don't quote me. Check out that purchase link in the description box. So comment down below. Let me know what you think about Oceane on me. Of course, I will come back at you dolls later with another review, and I will talk to you later. Alright, my dolls, I just want to give you guys the full tea about this unit before you go ahead and buy it, because I know sometimes when we do this, when we do our reviews, you don't get to see the aftermath if we wore it or not or anything like that. Well, I'm here to tell you, I did go ahead and I wore this unit. I wore it to work and I wore it to my daughter's game. Y'all, this is wearing her for like a full 10-hour day, well, 12-hour day, because once I got off work, I had to come home, change, and things like that to get ready for the game. This is what Miss Oceane is looking like after wearing her for about a good 10-12 hours. As you guys can see, she is tatted up in the back. Okay, she is toe up from the flow up in the back. Do you see she's kind of starting to mat and clump together with her curls? Like I said, she does shed. And I told you guys, this unit is one of those syntheticas that's here for a good time and a long time. And this is why, okay? This is what she's looking like after 12 hours. So I just want to give you guys the full tea, because I know that typically when we come on here, we do our reviews, you don't get to see, if you know, the aftermath of the wear and tear on the unit. But this is only after 12 hours of wearing her. That's from start to finish. Me doing the review, me going to work, and me ending my night at the game. And this is what baby girl is looking like. So I just want to give you guys a full tea. I will talk to you dolls later. Make sure you check out this review on my Junota hair. Okay, and I will leave that video card right here. So make sure you guys check that review out. And I have other reviews as well. Please check those out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share, comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you dolls later.